Hi, this is Crypto Maggie from Traderbox, and today I will tell you how to install our new extension for Binance and Binance US exchanges. This extension allows you to place stop loss, take profit, and trailing orders directly in the interface of these exchanges. Unlike Binance Oka, our extension doesn't block funds for stop loss, take profit, and trailing orders. And it also works without slippage. So, let's start. To install our extension, please go to Google Web Store and click on the Install button. Click on the Install button in the pop-up box. We can see at the top right that our extension has been installed and works. Then you need to log into the Traderbox.io. In case you haven't registered to Traderbox.io yet, you need to do so. In the example, I have already added the API key. To do so, you need to click on Add Exchange button. Enter any name to the first field. Then select exchange, Binance or Binance US from the drop-down list. Place permissions and add your API keys. Then click on Add. After that, your API key will be created and you will have to wait for a while until the data is loaded to the terminal. Then go to the website of Binance.com. Here you can click on the extension icon and select your API key from the given list. Here we can see a box for stop loss and take profit placement. You can place not only simple stop loss and take profit orders, but also trailing orders. Let's place stop loss and trailing take profit orders for the purpose of the illustration. Click on the Set Stop Loss and Set Take Profit buttons. In order to monitor all your placed orders, you need to go to your portfolio on Traderbox.io. So here you can see what coins are traded, what stop loss, take profit, and trailing orders are placed, and also the whole overview of your portfolio. Bye bye!